You have to know how to be safe on the dark web. What is the web? The web is an interconnected network of documents, images, videos, and other digital content accessed through the internet. It is essentially a vast collection of information that is accessible from any computer or device with an internet connection. Difference between surface web, dark web, and deep web. Surface web. The surface web is the part of the internet that is accessible to everyone without the need for specialized programs or configurations. It consists of all the pages and websites that can be found using a standard web browser and search engine. Dark web. The dark web, on the other hand, is a hidden network of websites and other online services that are only accessible through specialized software, configurations, or authorization. It is used by criminals, terrorists, and other malicious actors who use it to conduct illegal activities such as selling drugs, counterfeiting money, and other illicit activities. Deep web. The deep web is the part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines. It includes websites, databases, and other online resources that are not accessible to the public, such as private networks, virtual private networks, VPNs, and darknets. It is estimated that the deep web is 500 times larger than the surface web. The deep web can contain both legal and illegal content, and it is often used for criminal activities such as buying and selling drugs. What is the dark web and how does it differ from the regular internet? The dark web is a part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines and is therefore not easily accessible to the general public. It is essentially a hidden part of the internet that can only be accessed by using specific tools like the Tor browser. The dark web is often used for activities such as buying and selling illegal goods, accessing illegal content, and engaging in illicit activities such as fraud, hacking, and money laundering. It differs from the regular internet by its hidden nature and the fact that it is not indexed by search engines. This makes it difficult to access unless you have the specific tools and knowledge needed to navigate the dark web. What are some of the risks of using the dark web? Some of the risks of using the dark web include potential exposure to malware, ransomware, and viruses, the risk of being scammed or defrauded, the risk of being exposed to offensive or illegal content, and the risk of identity theft or data breaches. Additionally, the dark web is often used by criminals to buy and sell illegal goods, so participating in illegal activities could lead to criminal prosecution. Are there any legitimate uses for the dark web? Yes, there are some legitimate uses for the dark web. For example, journalists and whistleblowers use the dark web to communicate securely and protect their identities while working on sensitive stories. Additionally, businesses often use the dark web to protect their intellectual property from cyber attacks and competitors. Other legitimate uses include accessing medical records and other sensitive documents and sharing resources for the development of new technologies. What types of activities take place on the dark web? Activities on the dark web include buying and selling illegal goods, such as drugs, weapons, stolen credit card information, counterfeit money, and counterfeit documents, accessing illegal services, such as hacking, contract killings, and fraud, accessing restricted or censored content, such as political dissidents, accessing darknet markets, which are online black markets for buying and selling a variety of goods, accessing underground communities, such as forums, chat rooms, and marketplaces, and engaging in other types of criminal activity.